My name's 𝗪𝗲𝗿 and I'm one of our customer marketing managers at Häfele UK. I'm currently completing a level 5 departmental manager apprenticeship with a focus on women in leadership.
I'm Matt Lissman, I'm sales development manager for Häfele. I've just completed my apprenticeship in management level 5 and I'm also working towards one in operational management.
My name's 𝗪𝗍 Ivy. I'm the assistant inventory manager for supply chain. I am currently doing the 𝗙𝗍s programme, so a certificate in procurement and supply.
It's really nice to be able to fit the learning around my day-to-day work and be able to take inspiration from some of the things I do in my day-to-day job.
It's probably helped me become a more rounded leader and use some of the structures that I wouldn't have used for my leadership and management within the organisation.
I think it'll help the business once I've completed to have wider knowledge, which I didn't currently have, but also improve my inventory knowledge on the reasons why we do certain things and help support the rest of our team.
I think anyone who's considering doing the apprenticeship really should look to do them. They are fantastic for your own development and they're always beneficial for your career moving forward.
I think don't be put off that it's over Teams. I was a bit concerned that that was going to impact the learning, but actually it's been great. The tutors are absolute pros at getting people to engage.
It's a big commitment, but Häfele as a company are very proud and very good at supporting their employees in progressing their career.